Hey besties, welcome back. Let's do our hair together using one of these round brush wands because my hair is looking a little rough. First, I like to brush it out. Then I like to do my hair in sections. So I'm gonna put some half up and half down. I bought this off Amazon. I wanna say it was $75. It warms up in 20 seconds, so that's something I really love. I don't have to wait. Okay, so I'm gonna take a strip this wide and kind of just run through it. I like to hold it here because it gives it tension. And then look, so nice. I'm gonna keep doing the same exact way for all of my strips for the bottom layer. You can see a difference on this side, the one we did, and this side on the one we didn't do. Okay, next I'm gonna pull down the second layer. I'm gonna do the sides because I do the middle part last. Same thing, I'm gonna brush out my hair, make sure it's nice and smooth. Look at that, ah, so pretty. Okay, so I'm on my last part, which is this top middle section here. I'm gonna pull from the back like this, about this much. I'm gonna brush it. This is what it looks like. And then I'll show you the end result. Okay, this last part, I roll away from my face. I like to part it down the middle to see what I need to retouch. But I love it, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this tutorial. Get yourself one of these on Amazon, and I'll see you next time, besties. Bye.